Hey, so if you need to do research faster for school, work, or content creation, yeah, Claude can actually help you organize information, understand topics, and break down complex ideas. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it for research step by step. First thing, define your topic clearly. Don't be vague. Instead, be specific about what you want to study or learn. Next, break your topic into smaller questions. So, this helps you explore the subject in depth instead of surface level answers. All right, request structured responses. Use headings, bullet points, and sections so your research is easy to read. Now ask for simple explanations. This is really useful when dealing with complex or technical topics. Next, ask Claude to compare things. So comparisons help you understand differences between concepts, tools, or strategies. All right, after research, ask for a summary of the key findings. This helps you quickly review everything you learned, and yeah, you can turn everything into study notes or a full report. This is great for assignments or presentations, so that's how you use Claude AI for research. Once you follow these steps, you can understand any topic much faster and more clearly.